Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. So friends, finally Jupiter is in Capricorn sign and we all were waiting very anxiously regarding this transit. I have already made a video regarding double transit, that is Jupiter and Saturn together. But talking about Jupiter especially, so this Jupiter has brought lot many karmic bundles with it, because this Jupiter is going to transit through Capricorn sign, and as per astrological terms we call it as a debilitated planet of Capricorn, or debilitated planet sign. And definitely this Jupiter whenever entering, but Jupiter is very happy that Saturn has already taken the charge of that sign, and then Saturn is always there to share its energy with this Jupiter. So friends, today I will only talk about Jupiter as how this Jupiter is acting and how it will act throughout its transit. It is going to be retro also in between, then again it is going to come back to its own sign. But all these things whenever we are seeing, so this Jupiter is more over connecting towards the signification of house it is posited with. If your Capricorn sign is falling in your 7th house of chart, so definitely 7th house related matters are definitely rising, and people who are just in a wait for a good proposals, good alliances, definitely this is the best time for you all, that is Cancer people. I will not talk each and every ascendant wise, but I will definitely say if your Capricorn sign is falling in your 1st house of chart, then definitely this is the time when you will be more curious and prone towards your own deeds. You will think wisely, and then you will become more ethical, and you will take the proper decisions. So this is something like, this is the time when your exam period is also started, and you will become more strong, and definitely you will feel that I have to give my best towards myself as well as my society. And the karmic bundle which is already there, so that is through your struggles, that is through your hardships, and your 12th house is also activated. So definitely some or other way expenditure, and again some travels also is indicated. If you have your Capricorn sign in your 2nd house of chart, then definitely you are thinking more wisely related to your accumulation of money, related to your expenditures, related to your spiritual travels, and definitely you will be more of type that donations. You will think about helping your family, helping your friends, everything you will think more and more. And here also you will become more and more ethical, and it will be like always thinking about family. Till now it is not that you did not think about your family, but this is the time when you will think more about it. One more thing for Capricorn who are having Capricorn sign in their 3rd house of chart, so definitely your courage level is increasing. At the same time you will feel like taking rest every time, but trust me, this is the best time to travel, to make good pilgrimages. And it is not necessary that every time you have to travel, but it is your mental travel time also. You will start cleansing your soul, cleansing your mind, and definitely Saturn and Jupiter together, which is also earth to earth sign, this will be a fantastic combination for you all. No doubt you will have to struggle more hardship, but trust me, this will end up in a very, very good note. And then you will feel that yes, this Jupiter transit gave me fantastic experiences, very good connectivity with your own people, with your own siblings, with your own work. Definitely is going to happen. If this Capricorn sign is falling in your 4th house of chart, then definitely it is like, whatever you were trying all these years to get your own house or something, and when Mars will also be there, around your Capricorn sign, then definitely your property related matters, house related matters, or we can say that till now what you were waiting for, these things has to be fructified in a much better way. One more thing here I would like to say, that you have to take good care of your family, your house, because fourth house is also your sukhasthana. So definitely if you will maintain good energy of your house, then definitely it will convert into positivity of yourself also. If this Capricorn sign is falling in your fifth house of chart, then definitely trust issues are the major factor of your life, and here you have to start trusting people, and you have to cooperate, or you have to cope up with your subordinates, with your loved ones, with your creativity, with your upasana, sadhana, everything. You should not be in a question mode every time, because this is the fantastic time. You are getting Saturn and Jupiter both are together in your fifth house of chart. So the person whom you will meet this period, during this one full year, specifically around March, April, definitely you will feel the soul connectivity with that person, and you will never forget how this person helped you, or how this person has become so very important in your life. If Capricorn sign is falling in your sixth house of chart, then definitely it will be like transformation period for you. And yes, Saturn, Jupiter in sixth house is like sustainability will be more of comfort level. You will be more closer to your own self, as well as you will be more closer to your maternal side. And if not, then this is the best time when you can try your best, so that you can maintain cordial, at least cordial relationship with these people. Do seva, do give your services for animal shelter homes, and do feed animals whenever and wherever possible, apart from helping poor and needy humans. So definitely this is the time when this Jupiter and Saturn will definitely give you fantastic fruit. This is the best time to study and start occult. And if your Mercury is very good in chart, just start writing your own thoughts. One day will come when your thoughts will be appreciated by everyone. If Capricorn sign is falling in your seventh house, as I said before, your seventh house, your marriage partner, your soulmate, or we can say your business partner also waiting for you, where definitely your seventh house is most activated. And by the time this Saturn also enters into Aquarius sign around 2022, definitely you will be having very good news to give to your people about your marriage and leading a happy good life. And definitely these yogas you have to capture, you have to focus on that area. I always say, unless and until you focus on that particular area, your emotional bondage will be more with your own people. Your ninth house is also here getting activated, which will lead you to again spiritual travel, spiritual enlightenment, and you will feel like doing certain activities which is spiritually gained. Automatically this is going to happen. You are not deciding anything, and when unintendedly you are not intending to do any spiritual activities, and when automatically it is happening, then trust that your karmic bundles are getting open. If this 10 number sign is falling in your 8th house of chart, then this is the time when your hidden hidden benefits are waiting for you. And these benefits are like, learning few new things in your life, getting good connectivity with your occult sciences. If you are into astrology or you are into any research activity, this is the best time where you will definitely say that yes, now my things are definitely happening in a much better way. So this way, 8th house is something like, your 10th house is also getting activated. If you are jumping to new work and you are waiting for new work to start, then definitely this is happening. And Again, seventh house, if you are getting married, definitely your in-laws will be the most supportive people for you. If your ninth house is getting Capricorn sign in it, then ninth house Capricorn sign is indicating that yes, again you will find Guru Tulya people or Guru or mentor teacher in your life who will always guide you in a best possible way. And this is the time when your fortunate moments are just defolding, or we can say that it is reopening of your karmic pages, because here dharma trigunas are very very strongly connected to each other. And trust me, this is going to happen. If this 10 number sign is falling in your 10th house of chart, then definitely some transformation at your workplace, your relationship with your boss will definitely be good. But at the same time, because of debilitation of Jupiter, do not take people into granted. This may lead you to having some misunderstandings at your workplace, and do not overestimate your own goals, or do not underestimate also others. This is the best advice for you all. If your 10 number sign is falling in 11th house of your chart, then definitely gains are waiting for you through your friends, to your brothers. Traveling is waiting for you. Children's progeny is also indicated, and blissful moments through your children's. You will definitely see that your 5th house is also getting activated along with it, because your Taurus sign will also get activated. All of us will be having this Jupiter aspect on our Taurus sign, our Cancer sign, and our Virgo sign also. So this is the best time. You can just revise, and you can just rejuvenate all these houses Karakatva. And when this Capricorn sign is falling in your 12th house of chart, so definitely pilgrimages, spiritual travels, or some or other times some obstacles, some hurdles related to your work, related to your travels may happen. But if in your chart Saturn Jupiter, for everyone, if Saturn Jupiter by default is in a good position, definitely you will not find any type of difficulties. You should not get afraid that this is debilitation of Jupiter, because now in Navamansha also this Jupiter is going to be in Capricorn sign only till it is passing 3 degree and 20 seconds, so by that time definitely it is going to remain in Capricorn sign. But when it will enter into Aquarius sign, then definitely all of us will be experiencing different fruits. I will definitely talk about Navamansha in my another session, that how in Navamansha this transit Jupiter will give us all fruits. So stay tuned with Planet to Soul Astrology, stay tuned with Capricorn Jupiter, and I wish you all very best moments of this Jupiter transit. I wish that always there should be Guru Krupa, Guru bliss on all of you. And as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho, may all be blessed. Namaste.